Hello and welcome to another episode of Breathtaking Postcards. मैं हूँ नेहा और आज का ये वीडियो बहुत ही super fun और interesting है. So stick around and watch it till the end. So we've been in the space of travel blogging since quite some time now. You can also follow us on Instagram right here at Breathtaking Postcards. लेकिन travel vlogging एक नया sector है that we have recently just come in. We're fairly new on YouTube and we're exploring this space and absolutely loving it. And today this video is super special. I have a packet that I think is going to change my vlogging game for the coming days. And this is super fun because I'm kind of saying that इसको use करने से मेरा vlogging game it's going to go a notch higher. So let's see what's inside and let's unveil this package. But इसको मैं अकेले नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'm not going to be unboxing this alone. I'm going to be doing this with someone who is a content creator, a photographer, a filmmaker, and my partner, Arindam. Let's get him.
Hi Neha. Hi everyone.
So there's a disclaimer for this video. While Arindam is an absolute magician behind the camera, he creates amazing pictures and films, but he's super awkward in front of the camera. So this video is going to be very funny. So just bear with us. And you can smile.
I am a little conscious.
This is actually your debut na, as a vlogging thing on the camera. So
anyways, let's
please
start.
Drop some encouragement and words of, positivity for Arindam in the comments below.
Perfect. So before we begin, Neha, let me ask you, एक vlogging camera में what are the top things that you actually wanted?
Quite a lot of them, but okay, let's just narrow down to 5 जो I think हमारे audience को भी चाहिए होंगे if they are looking for a vlogging camera, guys. So stick around to the end of the video because this is all about the vlogging camera.
Okay.
So I think the first thing I feel should be compact. छोटा होना चाहिए so I can carry it around with me in my bag.
Yeah, and always shooting outside in the public.
Yeah.
So much more convenient.
So it shouldn't come in the public eye also. They feel what's
Yeah.
happening. Yeah. So very very valid. And I think next it should. I should be able to see what I'm composing. So it should have the screen.
You mean a flip out articulating
Yeah.
screen?
Correct. So a reversible screen or whatever you call it.
A flip out screen.
A flip out screen where I can see my composition.
Sure.
So it's so much more easier because remember when we went to McLeodganj and
yeah, we were shooting content and later
and we couldn't see and
out,
it was very very bad.
It was unusable.
Correct. So yes, that. And then I think a very very important feature which I think a lot of you will agree with me, which is a good inbuilt mic.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
We've been struggling with that
very
for quite
much.
some time.
So I think there is mic usually in most of the cameras that you buy, but you need a good quality one so that you don't have to depend on a lot of external mics and you can have a mic inbuilt in your camera, right?
Sure. You know what, Neha? Before you go on to the next USPs that you want in a camera, let's actually show them what is inside this box.
Correct.
Yeah? So that without further ado, presenting our new camera, the
Sony ZV1.
So we've got this after a lot of research.
Yeah.
Actually,
and I want to add something. This is not a sponsored video. We have bought this camera with our own hard-earned money.
Yeah.
And this video is more about what are the features, what's in the camera, and we're going to be using this a lot in the coming days. So we will also
get to see real-world samples.
Yeah,
what
we'll put up
comes
honest reviews
straight out
as well.
of this camera. So actually, there are a lot of cameras in the market right now, starting from the Canon M50. Nikon also has got a Z series which they've recently launched and which has become very popular. But this is something that I've been doing a lot of research about, and apparently, you know what, Neha, this is one of the most sought after vlogging camera in 2020 worldwide.
Wow.
Can you beat
and
that?
I am so excited to get my hands on it. And also, like I kind of gave you this encouragement to come up and speak in front of the camera that you really don't do.
Yeah.
So now it's your turn to impart the knowledge in me about cameras because I really don't know much about the technical side and I'd love to learn. And I think all of you would also love to learn.
Okay, alright. So you know what, when we started talking about this camera, you said that you wanted this to be compact.
Correct.
Very small, very handy, very compact. It's got a 1-inch XMOR sensor, which is capable of shooting 4K video content, which is very cool for a camera of this size. The second thing is got an articulating screen, which is a first for a Sony camera. Next thing that is very important is it also has great audio built into it. So there's a mic. Okay, I'm going to show it to you as well, guys. So let's unbox the camera. There is a memory card, 64 GB memory card that comes along with the packet. So here comes some paperwork.
We bought this on Amazon. During the Amazon sale,
and we got a great deal on this.
Yeah, so if you're trying to invest in something which is like a good investment, slightly expensive or something, just keep a lookout for all these sales on e-commerce websites. And here it is.
So here it is. Look how tiny and compact it is. It actually fits in the palm of my hand. So this is your gift, Neha. So try it out. In fact, this particular packet was also available with a tripod. It was 10,000 rupees expensive, but what we did is we went with
we already have one.
Yeah, we already have a small Manfrotto tripod,
correct,
which we thought will serve.
So yeah, it's a tip. If you already have a small tripod, you don't need to get for the one which is 10k more expensive.
Yeah.
My birthday gift, guys. I have my birthday in November. You can wish me later.
ऐसा कौन बोलता है? So it also comes with a wind muff, which is great if you're shooting on a windy day outdoors. Okay, and so while we were talking to you about the features, in addition to being compact, having a flip out screen and a great mic, it also carries Sony's award-winning eye autofocus. Now
what
ask me, of course, I was anticipating
so much terminology that I'm kind of now confused.
Okay, no worries, Neha. So what it does is it has a feature where it has got some great autofocus. Do you remember all those times when we were struggling with getting
correct, not being able, because I was moving around a lot.
Yeah, so what it does is it maps the human eye and it tracks the subject accordingly, which is very cool. And there's another great thing in this camera, Neha, which is brilliant for beginners. It's called the bokeh mode.
Okay.
You want to know what it is? Do you know the portrait, how your phone gets a portrait mode?
Yeah, it kind of blurs the background.
Absolutely right. So this is what it does straight out of the camera. There's a one-touch functionality which actually opens the aperture to 1.8 and gives you a smooth background behind you. And it's perfect for content creators. So are you excited to try it out?
Yes, I am. And मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान हो गया. We've understood what the box is, what's inside it. But मुझे लगता है थोड़ा practical कर लें.
Of course.
We're gonna go and test this out.
Hey, we just woke up and it's time for some breakfast. I am going to be making something super easy and fun. It's Greek yogurt bowl with lots of fruits and...
Hi, what are you making?
That's what I was telling everyone. We're making a Greek yogurt bowl with topped with fruits. So that B-roll was shot on the Sony ZV1 and
so is this particular segment of the video.
Correct, and we had a lot of fun shooting it and we're super excited to be trying it out for all our new content ideas.
There's just one part which we are still getting used to is Neha, you have to look at the lens and not the screen but no worries, we'll figure it out along the way.
Yeah, okay.
So we're now going to sign out from this vlog.
एंड अगर आप भी Sony ZV1 यूज करते हैं या परचेज करने वाले हैं और यू हैव सम फीडबैक अबाउट इट और व्हाटएवर यू थॉट अबाउट आवर वीडियो, please put it all in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all, and
we would love for you to be a part of this journey. We're
Yes.
going to create some really great content along
Together.
the way.
So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking till the end.
Bye. See you.
And do not forget to hit the like, comment, and the subscribe
alright,
button.
Of course. Still getting used to it. ये टेढ़ा है कैमरा.